In today's video, I am going to teach you how to set up lead magnet on Mailerlite. To get started, open Mailerlite and log into your account. Once you are inside your dashboard, take a moment to look at the main navigation menu. This is where Mailerlite keeps the major areas of your account, including your subscribers, forms, sites, campaigns, and automations. For this setup, the first thing we need to do is create a dedicated place for the people who sign up for your lead magnet. Navigate to the Subscribers tab. This section is where Mailerlite stores and organizes your audience. Keeping your subscribers organized is important because it helps you know exactly who signed up for a specific offer. In this case, anyone who enters their details through your lead magnet form will be added to the group we are about to create. Inside the Subscribers area, look for the Groups option and click on it. Groups are a simple way to segment your audience. You can think of a group as a label or container for a specific type of subscriber. Since we are setting up a lead magnet, this group will help you separate these new leads from the rest of your email list. Now click Create Group. Mailerlite will ask you to give the group a name. Choose something clear and easy to recognize later. For example, you could name it Lead Magnet Opt-in. The exact name is up to you, but it should describe what the group is for. This will make it much easier to find when you are connecting your form in the next part of the setup. After entering the group name, click Create. Your group is now ready. At this point, you have created the destination for your lead magnet subscribers. This means that when someone fills out your form, Mailerlite will know where to place that contact in your account. Next, we need to create the form that people will use to sign up. Go to the Forms or Sites tab depending on how your Mailerlite dashboard is arranged. Mailerlite may show form building tools in either of these areas, but the goal is the same. You are looking for the place where you can create a new sign-up form or landing page connected to your list. Once you are in the correct section, click Create. This begins the process of building the sign-up experience for your lead magnet. This form is the main point of entry for your subscribers, so it should be simple, clear, and focused on the offer you are providing. Mailerlite will ask you to name your form, give it a name that is easy for you to identify inside your account. This name is mainly for your own organization, so it can match the lead magnet or describe the campaign. For example, you might use a name related to the free guide, checklist, template, or resource you are offering. After naming the form, select the subscriber group you created earlier. This is an important part of the setup. Choose the group named Lead Magnet Opt-in, or whatever name you gave it. By connecting the form to that group, every new person who signs up through this form will be added to the correct segment in your Mailerlite account. Now you can move on to designing your form page layout. Use the editor to adjust the page so it matches your lead magnet and your brand. Keep the layout clear and easy to understand. Make sure the form fields are visible, the page title explains the offer, and the overall design guides the visitor toward signing up. You do not need to overcomplicate this page. A clean design usually works best, especially when the goal is to collect an email address in exchange for a lead magnet. Take a moment to review the page before publishing. Check that the form is connected to the right group, the name is correct, and the layout looks the way you want it to look. This review step helps prevent small mistakes before your form goes live. When everything looks good, click Save and Publish. This makes your lead magnet form available so people can begin signing up. Once published, the form is connected to the subscriber group you created, which means your new leads will be organized automatically inside Mailerlite. And that is all there is to it. You have created a subscriber group, built a form for your lead magnet, connected the form to the right group, and published it so it is ready to use.